Let's get it. Picky paragliding. Picky walking under the sea. Checking out the fisser with our fish bowl on.
Maybe.
Yeah, hopefully they didn't cancel it, otherwise I'm gonna be mad. I hate traveling. You gotta sit in the airport, wait for the plane to leave, the whole plane leaves, then we drive for 6 hours. I'm gonna try and keep myself entertained. At least I'll be editing this video. Just gotta hope that this wind dies down. It's not too hectic, but it's still a touch and go at the moment.
It's not hectic for us. It's hectic for everybody.
Yeah.
They're like, oh my god, there's a slack breeze.
So we're just gonna clap the outdoor gym and then hopefully we can get this show on the road. I'm tired.
Yeah. You're not taking this gym seriously. I can't even do monkey bars.
Do pull-ups.
Yeah. Nice. Good form. Nice. One more.
Thank you.
First event of the season.
$9.8.
One, two. You ready?
Ready?
Ready, steady.
Ready?
Okay. Okay, we have informed the O's to send it.
How are your eyes?
Yeah, they hurt. It's very bright out there. Come on, boys. Who can send off?
No, we totally underestimated that little dinky boat.
That thing fucked up.
That is a racer possessed.
Yeah, go right.
Okay, thank you.
Let's go, Tito!
No, fuck, Levi, I'm scared to land.
No, I've got it. Remember, I want to do skydiving.
Yeah, now's your, but now,
Now I can practice landing.
yeah, I'm tandeming with a professional that's never parasailed.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. We're gonna land it, Tito. Stop. go.
Step,
Stand up,
step.
stand up, stand up, stand up.
Stand up. Oh!
Stand up.
Wow, nice!
It was dope.
I thought we were going to be tandem with a professional, and we weren't.
Oh, thanks, T-Dog. This is why I need to get my skydiving license, because I nailed the landing.
Yeah.
Darren was basically stressed the entire flight on my landing.
Put the cash inside the bag. Gotta learn to beat the system. Gotta turn the tide around. Everybody's searching for a nice piece of that pie. To the billionaires and the trillionaires, I'm gonna take what's mine. Overcome by something oh so dangerous. Someone sleeping in the bed we made for us. In this modern circumstance I feel no trust. It's not okay. Okay. Calling all the people. Calling all the people. Calling all the people. Yeah. Okay.
And that's the end of our trip here in Mauritius. It went pretty thick. We couldn't do all the fuel activities, but we had a dope time nonetheless. And until next time, peace out, yo.
Called and left a message. There was something on my mind. Got a fake Rolex and a rare complex. Gonna fix them both tonight.